Welcome to TRADEREP. This is Shorthammer. It is the 24th of July, 2019, and we're looking at Netflix. Now, Netflix has sold off pretty heavily since earnings. And even before that, we were looking at this 385 area, which if we go back, it's been an area that Netflix has had a problem getting through for maybe about a year. So if we scroll back, you look at that 385, and the last time it was able to get through this 385 supply demand zone was, let's keep going back. Well, we had to extend this, but it was 2018, and we shouldn't be surprised that Netflix is still having problems getting through that area. It's like a brick wall. And we did sell off, and we're down here around the 306 area. Now, what we want to watch for me, I'm going to wait until we get under the 300, down around this 290 area, this 295, this yearly pivot, and see what we do there if the buyers step in and start to push us back up. Other than that, we'd have to regain this 311 area and really see a lot of substantial buying pressure and get through this 315 before I'd be interested in getting long. And even then, I'd still be watching the 325s. So Netflix for me is a watch, sort of wait and watch for the buyers to step in. I haven't seen substantial buying pressure yet. And until I see that, I'll be sidelined on Netflix. But it is something to keep an eye on because on every big sell-off, Netflix has bounced. Now let's take a look at the daily chart. So the question is, how far can we go? If we remember, back in October of 2018, we were at the 385 level, right around here. And we sold off all the way down to 239. Now, is this going to happen again? Probably not going to sell off that heavily on these earnings, but we have to see. We are currently up at these levels here. So we have to see if the selling is going to be strong enough to drive us down. And also if we get any strong relief bounces. I'll wait because to me, I just have to see the buyers step in. And once these buyers begin to step in, then I'll be willing to get in and ride the wave for a relief bounce. And until then, I'm not going to guess or try to assume when or where Netflix may bounce. Not sure, because there could still be more selling left in this, and I have to see if we hold these 300s first. That's what I'll be watching for. Do we hold the 300s? Do we break the 295s? And if we roll through there, how far down do we go? So I'm just waiting for the buying to come in. Once I see the first green day, the first substantial green day of buyers telling me that they feel that we've reached a level where they see value, then I'll be interested in Netflix to the upside. Until then, I'm going to stay away.